Hi, everyone. Come on in. It's time to learn with us.
Quick, can you help me? Which one is near?
I think this one.
Yes, this balcony light is near because I am close to it.
Then that one must be far.
Correct. That street light is far because it is far away from me. Now I'm going down. Wait, now what is near? Now this street light is near because I am close to it.
Oh, then the balcony light is far now.
Exactly.
Near, 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 close to me. Far, 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 far you see. If I move, it can change. Near and far don't stay the same.
Wow, you did it! Keep learning and watch again or move to the next lesson.